Thanksgiving certainly could be impacted by a winter weather maker, either on our way out of town or way back. Let's get the very latest from Nathan in our No Wait weather. Nathan?
Yeah, Mike, this is something we're watching very carefully for everybody, as the travel will be big for everybody as we head toward Thanksgiving and beyond Thanksgiving, that weekend after, which is a notoriously busy weekend for holiday travel. But we'll start off with what we see right now. Some clouds there on our Luther Family Ford Skycam, 33 degrees right now in Fargo. Still a northwest wind there at 14 miles per hour, giving us a bit of a bite to the air. Feels like 23 degrees with that wind chill. Temperatures on the regional scale, we're seeing 30s, and that's about it. 30s for most of us, 27 in Gwinner. One of the cooler spots, Devil's Lake, also reporting upper 20s right now. But I do expect things to stay above average for this time of year, only in the 20s for those overnight lows by the time we wake up tomorrow. But look at this. Now we're talking about some holiday travel up to and including Thanksgiving Day. And we do have some winter storm warnings in effect for areas from Denver up through the heart of Nebraska into northern Iowa and through the Twin Cities as well. Now, this winter storm warning in Minneapolis is going until Wednesday at 2 p.m., so I know some folks may be driving down to the Twin Cities or flying to Minneapolis or Denver, so be on the lookout and make sure to check with your air carrier to make sure that things are okay with your flights on any of these given days here leading up to Thanksgiving. You can see that snowfall there in Denver. That's what's prompting that winter storm warning there now, expecting some impressive snowfall totals from northern Colorado, the northern Rockies there up the I-25 corridor towards Cheyenne and Laramie. But then as we head, as that system pushes toward Minneapolis, that's what's going to drop those snowfall amounts, and could see some impressive snowfall totals there in western Nebraska as well by the time everything is said and done. But you can see just those thin clouds here in our neck of the woods, maybe a few spits of snow showers here or there, but not expecting anything too impactful for tonight or tomorrow as well, which again is great news if you have any plans outdoors for tomorrow. But here's the hour by hour. So you see the western Nebraska seeing strong winds, heavy snowfall there in Nebraska, even including southern South Dakota as well. Could see some impressive snowfall totals there in the western part of Nebraska. Then moving up towards Sioux Falls, this is Tuesday around lunchtime. Snow will start to fall in the southern I-29 corridor down towards Sioux Falls and Omaha. But then this is going to stop this around 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. on Tuesday. So again, this is late in the day Tuesday. That's when we're going to start to see some snow falling down I-94 toward the Twin Cities. And look at those winds as well. So this is going to be a wind-driven snowfall. So it's going to be reduced visibilities, which one issue with the airports, that when visibilities do get too low, they may start canceling flights there into Minneapolis. And you can see that that does continue in Minneapolis through the Wednesday morning time. So through lunchtime on Wednesday, we expect the snowfall to continue in the Twin Cities. And look at these snowfall totals, 6 to 9 inches in that darker blue area there, but there are some pockets there around Minneapolis that could pick up more than 9 inches. And then for those folks just toward the north of Minneapolis or up the I-94 corridor, could see 3 to 6 inches of snowfall total, and some light snowfall is possible in our extreme southeastern neighborhoods down toward the down to the I-94 corridor as well. Now, looking further out, this is going to be for Thanksgiving Day. So if you have any travel plans on the day of Thanksgiving, this is right when you're eating your Thanksgiving dinner. 6 o'clock, seeing some light snow showers, and the European model as well. So we'll talk about the European and American models and compare them here in just a second. But you saw just some light snow showers there on Thursday. Not looking like anything too impactful for the day Thursday, but Friday is when we expect the heavy snowfall to move in. And you can see that snow, that heavy snow, overreaches the Red River Valley. This is now Saturday at 7:15 p.m., expecting some wind and some pockets of heavier snowfall as well. Now, these systems, these Colorado lows, are those storms that are notorious for giving a band of upwards of a foot or even more of snowfall when they move through our neck of the woods, at least historically with those Colorado lows. And this one looks to be no different than the normal Colorado low. And you can see that does continue through the morning on Sunday, but conditions then improve Sunday, but the wind will continue on Sunday as well. We'll compare to the American model. This is again Friday, still seeing those pockets of heavier snow. This has that warmer air a bit farther toward the north, so this has our southern neighborhoods maybe not seeing as much snowfall, but look at that, still those pockets of heavy blue, which does indicate on Saturday some heavy snowfall and some gusty winds on Saturday as well. So again, we're watching this very carefully for you, and we'll have the latest on our app. We have videos that we update daily with the latest in the forecast, and of course on air and online. But here's our 2-day planner. We'll see things are quiet for tomorrow and for Wednesday. It's not till late on Turkey Day that we'll see some snow showers move in, but those red shaded boxes there, those are our impact days with the heavy snow and the breezy and windy conditions there for the first half of the weekend.
All right, thanks, Nathan. And before you head out on your holiday